Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to identify ending sounds in words. So if I had the word fin, I, n is the final sound I hear in the word. That is the ending sound. Let me try another word. The word dog, d, a, g, g is the final sound I hear in the word dog. Let's try one more. Sit, s, it, is the final sound I hear in the word t, t. Let's try some together. Same, s, a, is the final sound I hear in same. Let's try some more. Cap, k, ap, p is the final sound I hear in cap. P. Lay, l, a is the final sound in lay. Top, t, op, is the final sound in top. Mit, it, t is the final sound I hear in mit. Cake, k, a, k is the final sound I hear in cake. Kite, k, I, t is the final sound I hear in kite. Mom, ah, is the final sound I hear in mom. Fox, f, a, k, s is the final sound I hear in fox. Your turn. Jig. What's the final sound in jig? J, I, g. G is the final sound. Kind. What's the final sound in the word kind? K, I, d. D is the final sound. Tim. What's the final sound in the word Tim? T, I, is the final sound. Have a good day.